In this instructional video, I'll demonstrate the process of setting a PIN for your Bank of America debit card. Let's dive in. Firstly, head to a Bank of America ATM that supports PIN setup, which you can locate using the Bank of America website or mobile app to find the nearest one. Next, insert your Bank of America debit card into the ATM's card slot. Then, select your preferred language from the language selection menu displayed on the ATM screen. Look for an option on the main ATM screen that says Set PIN or PIN Services and select it. If you've received a temporary PIN from Bank of America, the ATM will prompt you to enter it. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Now, the ATM will ask you to enter a new PIN for your Bank of America debit card. Choose a PIN that's memorable for you but difficult for others to guess, avoiding obvious combinations like birthdays or sequential numbers. Once you've entered your new PIN, confirm it by re-entering it accurately. Upon confirming the new PIN, the ATM will process the request and display a confirmation message indicating that your new PIN has been successfully saved. Finally, retrieve your card from the ATM and ensure you take it with you before leaving. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.